i35equipment.com. This is the 36-inch ride-on, stand-on, almost a walk-behind style Barreto trencher. This machine runs and operates excellent. It does include that Anderson trailer. It's a nice heavy-built trailer to transport the trencher or your other equipment on. It's got a heavier grade axle and a brand new spare tire and wheel, 2-inch ball, 4-pin line hookup, chains, and the rear drop down ramp. We'll go ahead and drop down the ramp and then start the trencher up for you. It is currently chained up, so we're not going to go trench with it, but we're going to show you that it runs and operates great. You can always see all the photos and specs on our website, as well as our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy machinery. This is the electric start Honda engine. Great engine. All right, so just so you know, before we get started, this is your choke if needed. We're going to try to start it without. It is running cold today because we have not tried starting it. Sitting at only 349 hours. Very low hour machine. Right off. Dirt teeth and rock teeth to cut right through whatever it is you're doing. Auger straight, dirt out. Oh my God, right on the last one. This is going to be your throttle. Low throttle, high throttle. Raise the valve. Left track, right track forward, left track. This is going to be your trencher. Here's the reverse. We just wanted to get a video of it running and operating for you guys. We'll have a longer video of it actually in the dirt trenching that you can see on the website at i35equipment.com. Do appreciate you taking time to watch. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout. We're open by appointment only. Be happy to have you out. Kind of hard to see, but it's i35equipment.com. Appreciate you taking time again. Hope you have a wonderful day.